Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a scrap room show and tell video. This is one half of the double shot kit for this wonderful November 2022. So if you've never had a double shot kit before, if you've seen the flavors of the month kit, or never even heard of the scrap room, I'm going to tell you all about it really quick. Give me a quick synopsis. So the scrap room takes some collections that are out there right now and makes mini kits of them. And they're the perfect amount for you to get a taste of all the new things and not like blow your budget. If you're like me and you want all the things, but you're like, but I don't want to buy all of this one because I want all of that one. I want, you want all the things. This is a great way to get to have just enough of all the things that you are fulfilled, And so this Flavors of the Month kit has 4 different kits or 4 different little mini collections that you can get. And it always comes with pattern paper, embellishments, and some cardstock. The double shot is another addition to that. You can also subscribe to that. That comes with 2 other smaller mini collections, kits for you to play with. So I have one half of that. So you get 2 different collections than that is the Flavors of the Month kit. So potentially, if you would subscribe to all of the kits that come from the scrap room, you could get 6 different collections. And then there's embellishment add-ons, pattern paper add-ons, and then the Shots of Life kit, which is essentially pieces of all those collections. So you would just get more things. So if you want more of the things, you just get all of the add-ons, right? But this is one half of the double shot kit for November, one of the 2. And this month we get Jen Hadfield's Stardust. Gorgeous. I'm always a huge fan of Jen Hadfield. The colors that she likes to choose, love it. So first off, let me show you what the pattern papers are. So this is Stardust. This pattern paper is Stay Wild with all these beautiful little butterflies on it. I love the color palette of this. It could read spring, summer, fall. Like it could any time of the year if you're someone who does that. I like rich colors or muted colors. Actually, I like bright colors too. So I don't know what I'm saying, but I definitely tend to go towards the jewel tones or these kind of like antiqued or vintaged out colors, if that makes any sense. But this is a beautiful color. So we have first Stay Wild, and then we get This Life, which is all these cute little tags you could fussy cut out or not. And this fun one that's like rainbows and it's like tiles, so they're turned all over on their sides. Then we get this beautiful paper that is BFF. So this side is polka dot, and this side is a wonderful rainbow banner with a grid in the center. And I don't know if you guys have seen the sketch this month, but that's partially already set up for you right there. So I might take advantage of this paper and use it today. And these are my 2 strips, the strip at the bottom and the strip at the top. Might was the keyword there. And then also, so whenever you do the double shot kit and the Flavors of the Month kit, you get cardstock. Double shot kit, you get 3 pieces of cardstock. So with this one, we're going to get this beautiful guacamole basil textured cardstock. What a beautiful green. It matches this fantastic. And then you're going to get 2 sheets of Fig Swirl, which I love this white cardstock. This is one that I actually go and get separate all the time. So that's awesome. So we've got some cardstock, we've got some beautiful pattern papers, and then we get some embellishments. So our embellishments are a half 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and that's going to vary. So you know how these 12 by 12 sticker sheets, they actually fold in half. So you get half. So you'll probably either get this half or the other half. I'm excited that there are cats on this one. I have 2 photos of my son turning, like showing us that he's super skilled in lifting his head and turning because he wanted to look at the cat. So I thought that would be perfect. I've got all these cats. I love this little meow speech bubble. There's this cat right here, and there's this lovely silver iridescent happiness happening. Just fun little icons on here, all different kinds of things. And then also you're going to get a few Jen Hadfield tickets, and these are going to vary, and they are perforated, so you can just punch them out. They are thick. Let me tell you. Like, these are some, they're like cardstock tickets. Like, they're nice. I don't think they're adhesive backed. No, they're just thick, which is crazy. But yeah, they're super thick. But I got these 3 colors. I got a yellow, a green, and a pink. So a little sampling of everything. So, like you heard me discuss the sketch, I think I'm going to play with that today. Because I have 2 photos. The sketch is perfect for 2 photos. It's kind of already set up for me to use this paper. And why not, right? So I'm going to trim this branding strip off. Obviously, these strips, rainbow strips, are a little bit lower than they are in the sketch. So that is going to just be the difference. But I thought the sketch would be fun to play with today. So I am going to kind of trim my photos down a little bit, get them matted. I like to mat my photos. I'm going to trim them down just a tiny bit, mat my photos, and then decide on what I'm going to do with each of these pattern papers, and we'll get started. All right, so I, after some hemming and hawing, decided I did indeed want to use this paper and kind of cheat and use these 2 rainbows as my bands. But I really wanted some of this paper. So I decided I would do my circle for the sketch in just white. I roughed up the edges. I just did an 8-inch circle. I just glued it down. But I traced it on the back really quick and cut out a rough circle so I have some of this pattern. So now, actually, what I'm thinking about doing is layering that up as well. And then I've got both patterns on there. And then, okay, I'm trying to gather my things. So we need to trim this down. Oh, my blade. Keep that branding strip. I might still... I'm going to try to take off a tiny bit, but I do want to frame it in this green that we have. It'll be a tiny frame, but it'll be a frame. All right, let's see. Let's see if that worked. Is that just enough to bring the green around? I think it is. I just like that dark green around the edge, don't you? And then I think I'm gonna mat my photos. Yeah, I really like this. I think I'm gonna mat my photos in the green as well. So I'm gonna gut the green, and then our band across is gonna be this. So it's gonna be kind of like monotone, monochromatic in a way. Yeah, so I'm gonna band, and then I might fussy cut out a few of those butterflies, and I'll mat my photos. Might do it in white and green, and I might cut a tag out. There's a lot of things I might do, so trying to figure that out. But yeah, I'm for sure going to gut this. Get my photos matted, and I'll check back in with you after I do that. All right, I started playing with where everything wanted to go. I like this. I distressed this as well. I really like that, and I layered the circle over this strip. So yeah, I'm really liking the way this looks so far. So what I'm gonna do is get everything glued down. I'm gonna trim this edge off, and I think I'm gonna try and grab a couple of the tags out of that 12 by 12 paper to put down here. There's like these fun little like starbursts on my sticker sheet that I got. I'll show you here in a sec. These little like shiny things. I'm gonna sprinkle those around too, and might even grab some Nuvo drops to like, we'll see. I'm feeling like that might be kind of fun. So let me get all this stuff glued down. I think we're gonna actually pop this circle up, but all this stuff will be flat on it. So I'm gonna glue all this stuff down on the circle, and then we'll pop all that stuff up And yeah, I'm gonna find 2 tags to tuck in here. All right, got it all glued down. Added some Nuvo drops in olive branch. Just some little guys. Did a little bit of journaling, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out the ScrapRoom website where you can shop for the kits this month. They will be down below. And also check out the Facebook group so you can join in all the fun, enter the challenges and the challenge albums, and also see all the inspiration that everybody's posting on there. Go ahead and post your own inspiration. We would love to see what you've made with the kits. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.